So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. So in this video we're going to be taking a look at why the Bitcoin price has dumped so much and why it has gone in the mid $38,000 range, even below the 39,000. So in this video we'll be taking a look at why that has happened and what's the reasons behind it. So before we get started, please do make sure to click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are now over at our screen, and if we just look at a couple news articles of Grayscale, we can see the most trending news is that Grayscale has dumped billions of dollars of Bitcoin in after the ETF approval. So even if we just look at this one 11 hours ago, we can see FTX selling $1 billion of Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF has spurred major outflows from the fund since SEC approval. So we have seen a lot of dumping from Grayscale after the Bitcoin ETF approval, and it has now crossed over $1 billion in Bitcoin sold. So if we just look at this, that says investors have sold more than $2 billion worth of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC, and a large chunk of exodus of FTX bankruptcy, dumping 22 million shares. So we can already see that there is a lot of Grayscale dumping going on right now. So even if we look at Grayscale current holdings, we can see that Grayscale still holds around 558,000 Bitcoin, valued at well over $22 billion. So this is a huge number, but if we look at the downward side right here, we can see just 10 hours ago Grayscale has dumped a lot of Bitcoin. So you can see right here, just 10 hours ago Grayscale has moved to Coinbase around 940 Bitcoin. So even if we scroll down to the right, just 10 hours ago you can just see all these transactions just 10 hours ago. Grayscale dumping billions of dollars of Bitcoin. So right here, big numbers of Bitcoin. All of this happened 10 hours ago, and Grayscale continues to do so. So after that, we can look at other firms such as BlackRock. So BlackRock has been buying back a lot of those Bitcoins since a lot of people are selling from the Grayscale ETF and are putting their money into the BlackRock ETF. So BlackRock now currently holds around 39,000 Bitcoin. So we can see right here, priced at well over $1.6 billion. So this is increasing, and we are seeing a lot of growth in BlackRock's Bitcoin holdings because it continues to buy more and more Bitcoin because people are selling from the Grayscale ETF. So we can see all of this money transferred from Grayscale to Coinbase ready to sell. So that Bitcoin has been sold out, and after that, in order to buy back the ETF, people have to buy from a different firm such as BlackRock. So BlackRock is buying back a lot of that Bitcoin, and that is why we are seeing such high transactions being made in Bitcoin. So even if we just look at today's graph, we can see 10 hours ago, which was right here, this is the reason we are seeing most dumps in Bitcoin, because there is a lot of selling pressure right now. So Grayscale is dumping a lot of the Bitcoin. So way too much selling pressure. We can even see that we drew this chart in the previous videos talking about what the Bitcoin price could hit. So we saw it hit this level of support right here, and we saw it revive back a little bit. We saw a ascending triangle, and then we saw the price break out to the bottom side, and we are currently at the $39,000 range. But very soon I predict that we could hit the $38,000 range, 37 to 38, because that will be our next level of support right here, and that will be our next price target to hit, because Bitcoin is still going down and still having a fairly decent amount of dumps because of Grayscale's selling pressure. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about why the Bitcoin price is down by a lot and why we aren't seeing the huge numbers of Bitcoins promised after the ETF approval. So we already talked about how Grayscale is dumping a lot of Bitcoin, causing a lot of selling pressure, and the almost one of the main reasons for the price to go down. So if you are new to this channel, please do make sure to check out my daily live streams on this channel. I talk about daily crypto news, daily price changes, or anything recent in the crypto community. So do check that out on the daily. And I also create long form content like this, talking about any recent crypto news to keep you informed about the community. So do make sure to check that out also. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. Drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.